Jesus coming around the corner. Around the corner. Wait, twende namna hiyo.
Jesus coming around the corner. Jesus coming around the corner. Jesus coming around the corner.
Jesus coming. Wakati tunarejea kuketi, tunatembea tunarejea kuketi.
Jesus coming around the corner. Jesus coming around the corner. Jesus coming. Every promise has been fulfilled. Only the second coming of Jesus Christ is that remains. He's coming to take the church. He'll be round like the archangels. He'll come full of glory.
Asante sana. Aliyepoteza jamani jicho la iPhone shilingi 15,000 ili usichukulie poa. Shilingi 15,000.